Hello दोस्तों, welcome back to my channel. Mamta Nagrat. I make videos on visa, travel and study abroad. आज हम बात करेंगे नीदरलैंड्स स्कॉलरशिप के बारे में। कौन कौन सी यूनिवर्सिटीज स्कॉलरशिप देती हैं, कैसे अप्लाई करना है, क्या डेडलाइंस हैं और इंडिया से अप्लाई करते समय आपको कौन से डॉक्यूमेंट्स लगेंगे। इसके अलावा सब कुछ एकदम सिंपल लैंग्वेज में ही मैं आपको इस वीडियो में बताने जा रही हूँ। अगर आप 2025 और 2026 इनटेक के लिए तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए है। आप स्टे ट्यून्ड ऑन दिस चैनल फॉर मोर सच कंटेंट इन अपकमिंग वीडियोस। तो चलिए हम आज की वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। Number 1 is why study in Netherlands. High quality education, globally ranked universities, affordable compared to UK or USA, scholarships available for international students, English taught programs, and two key advantages are easy visa process and high chance of PR through skilled migration after study. So in section 2, I will explain national scholarships for all universities, and one is NL scholarship, Holland scholarship for bachelor's and master's for international students, and it is also valid for Indian students and for non-EU students also. The amount is Euro 5,000 and easy to apply. Simply through university's application portal you have to apply, and not full funding but excellent support for year 1 in your education. अब चलिए देखते हैं कि कौन सी यूनिवर्सिटीज सबसे बेस्ट स्कॉलरशिप देती हैं। यूनिवर्सिटी वाइज स्कॉलरशिप्स तो नंबर 1 पे है मैस्ट्रिक्ट यूनिवर्सिटी। UMNL High Potential Scholarship, fully funded master's program, tuition waiver and full stipend of around Euro 30,000 plus. Maastricht NL University Scholarship and Orange Tulip scholarships are the advantages of Maastricht University, and it is best for management, law, public health, data science and engineering, and the deadlines are early February you have to apply. Then comes Redbound University number 2, Redbound Scholarship Program, tuition reduced from Euro 18,000 to Euro 2,700 only, and the visa insurance support is also given by this university. NL scholarship and OTS scholarships are the possibilities, and it is best for psychology, science, AI and humanities, and the deadline is February 2026. Then comes TU Delft University, Justus and Lois Van F1 Excellence Scholarship, highly prestigious, full tuition fee and possibly living stipend. Fully excellence faculty excellence scholarship, best for engineering, technology and architecture. This is TU Delft University in Netherlands, and the deadline is December 2025, so hurry up, it is still open. On number 4 is University of Amsterdam, AMS Amsterdam Merit Scholarship and AES Amsterdam Excellence Scholarship. Deadline is January to February, depends on faculty. And on number 5 is VU Amsterdam, VU Fellowship Program, full tuition waiver and annual scholarships are the possibilities. The beautiful campus plus strong research environment. Deadline is 1st February. Number 6 is University of Groningen, Eric Bloemink University, Eric Bloemink Scholarship, fully funded, tuition plus living plus insurance, and there is another possibility of NL scholarship also. And you cannot apply directly, you have to, the faculty has to nominate you, so you have to approach your faculty in which you want to take the admission. Then number 7 is Leiden University. Leiden Excellence Scholarship, 25%, 50% or 100% tuition coverage, and also possibility of NL scholarship, the best for law, IR, science, medicine, and the deadline is 1st February. On number 8 is Utrecht University. Utrecht Excellence Scholarship, tuition plus living, and NL scholarship, best for social science, science and business. Deadline is 1st February. On number 9 is University of Twente. UTS University of Twente scholarship, Euro 3,000 to Euro 22,000 per year and open for masters, and the deadline is twice in a year, May and February. On number 10 is Eindhoven University of Technology, TUE Talent Scholarship and Excellence Scholarship, best for engineering, AI and data science, and the deadline is February. On number 11 is Wageningen University. WUR Excellence Scholarship and Orange Tulip scholarships are available, best for agriculture, food technology, environment, biotechnological sciences, and the deadline varies. You have to check the university website. On number 12 is Erasmus University Rotterdam, Erasmus Holland Scholarship and Faculty Excellence Scholarships, and the best for management, law and economics, and varies by school. Deadline varies by school. On number 13 is Applied Sciences Universities, Bachelor's and Master's are the program. HAN University, HAN Talent Scholarship, Sexion University, Sexion Talent Scholarship, and Rotterdam University of Applied Sciences, NL Scholarship. Then comes section 4, documents required. For most scholarships, you need passport, academic transcripts, CV, statement of purpose or motivation letter, letters of recommendation, English proficiency test, IELTS or TOEFL, and sometimes a portfolio in case of architectural or design programs. Section 5 goes to how to increase chances of obtaining scholarships. Now you apply early. Netherlands scholarships fill fast. Write a powerful motivation letter. Highlight your achievements and work experience. Keep IELTS in the range of 6.5 to 7.0 plus. Apply to multiple universities together. Always check each university deadline and separately. Now, अगर आपको नीदरलैंड स्कॉलरशिप्स, एडमिशन प्रोसेस या वीज़ा गाइडलाइंस चाहिए, कमेंट करके पूछिए, चैनल को लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए और सब्सक्राइब करिए। ममता नागरथ, वीज़ा, ट्रैवल, स्टडी अब्रॉड। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में अगली बार, और मेरे चैनल को इसी तरह से अपना प्यार देते रहिए। अगर आपको मेरी सर्विसेज की ज़रूरत है तो आप मुझे mamtanagrath@gmail.com पर अपना क्वेरी लिख के भेज सकते हैं। आई वुड बी मोस्ट हैप्पी टू हेल्प यू, and do share and subscribe my channel with your family and friends. आगे भी आने वाली वीडियोस को आप देखते रहेंगे और मैं नए से नया बेस्ट टू बेस्ट कंटेंट आप लोगों के लिए लाती रहूँगी। सो धन्यवाद, थैंक यू सो मच, बाय बाय।